Jai Gurudev children. Once more I am in front of you with our topic tenses. On date 26 April 2020 we had seen tenses. In that tenses we had seen first tense, that is present tense, and that day we had completed present tense 4 parts. Today we will see the second part, that is past tense. Past tense has 4 types. We will see first simple past tense, second past continuous tense, third past perfect tense, and fourth past perfect continuous tense. Firstly, we will focus on first kinds, that is simple past tense. Now we will see the uses of simple past tense. First point in that, to express actions completed in the past. Example, Megha received a letter yesterday. Second point, to express a series of completed actions. Example, I finished work, walked to the beach and found a nice place to relax. Third point, to express a duration of time in the past. Example, they lived in Australia for 2 years. Fourth point, to express habits in the past. Example, I studied German when I was a child. Now we will see the structure of the sentences in the past. Subject plus second form of the verb plus object plus etc. Now we will see the positive statements. For the positive statements, which structure we are using, we will see firstly. Formula, subject plus second form of the verb plus object plus etc. Example, I walked to school yesterday. Second, we will see negative statements. For negative statements, which structure we will use, we will see. Formula, subject plus did not plus verb 1 plus etc. Example, I did not play yesterday. Third, we will see interrogative statements. For interrogative statements, which structure we are using, we will see. Formula, did plus subject plus verb 1 plus etc. Example, did they eat well? Now, fourth, we will see question beginnings with question words. Now, we will see which structure we are using for that. We will see now. Formula, questions word plus did plus subject plus verb 1 plus etc. Example, when did you come back home? This way we had completed our simple past tense. Now we will start our past continuous tense. In the past continuous tense, we will see uses of past continuous tense. First, to express an action that was going on or was in progress at some time in the past. In the past continuous tense, which structure we are using, we will see. Structure of sentences in the past continuous tense. First, for affirmative sentence. Formula, subject plus was oblique were plus verb 1 plus ing plus etc. Example, the girls were walking in the park. Now second, negative sentences. For negative sentences, which structure we are using, we will see now. Formula, subject plus was oblique were plus not plus verb 1 plus ing plus etc. Example, She was not playing with her friends. Third, we will see interrogative sentences. For interrogative sentences, which structure we are using, we will see now. Formula: was oblique were plus subject plus verb 1 plus ing plus etc. Example: were they going for a picnic? Now we will see the third kinds of the past tense, that is past perfect tense. Uses of past perfect tense. First point: to show a completed action before something else in the past. Example: they had studied English before she came here. Second point: to explain or give a reason for something in the past. Example: they had prepared for the examination, so they did not study. Third point: to state a condition. Example: had I bought the book, I would have studied. Now we will see structure of sentences in the past perfect tense. First, for affirmative sentences, which structure we are using, we will see now. Formula: subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object plus etc. Example: she had studied English before. Second, for negative sentences. For negative sentences, which structure we are using, we will see now. Formula: subject plus had plus not plus verb 3 plus object plus etc. Example: she had not participated in the event. Third, we will see interrogative sentences. For interrogative sentences, which structure we are using, see now. Formula: had plus subject plus verb 3 plus object plus etc. Example: had they managed to get a hotel? This way we completed past perfect tense. Now we will see the four kinds of past tense, that is past perfect continuous tense. Uses of past perfect continuous tense. First, to describe an action that began before a certain moment in the past and continue up to that moment or stop just before it. As example, when he arrived, we had been waiting for him for 1 week. Second point, to describe a repeated action in the past perfect. As example, she had been trying to learn classical dance. Now we will see structure of sentences in the past perfect continuous tense. Now, which structure we are using for affirmative sentences? We will see. Formula: subject plus had been plus verb 1 plus ing plus etc. Example: I had been working. Now we will see negative sentences. For negative sentences, which structure we are using, we will see. Formula: subject plus had not been plus verb 1 plus ing plus etc. Example: I had not been working. Third, now we will see interrogative sentences. For interrogative sentences, which structure we are using, we will see. Formula: had plus subject plus been plus verb 1 plus ing question mark. Example: had they been working? We had completed today past tense and its kinds. That is, first simple past tense, second past continuous tense, third past perfect tense, and fourth past perfect continuous tense. Today's teaching we can match SCI principle, that is, purification leads to progress. Now it's time for homework. Question number 1. Prepare 10 sentences on simple past tense. Question number 2. Prepare 10 sentences on past continuous tense. Question number 3. Prepare 10 sentences on past perfect tense. Question number 4. Prepare 10 sentences on past perfect continuous tense.